Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a simple yet powerful way to check your computer's system information using PowerShell. Whether you are troubleshooting, planning an upgrade, or just curious about your PC's specs, this method is quick, efficient, and beginner friendly. So let's jump right in. So why should you use PowerShell instead of the usual setting or control panel? Well, PowerShell is not just another tool. It's an advanced command line utility built right into Windows. It gives you instant access to in-depth details about your system all in one. Plus, no third-party apps are needed. Everything you need is already on your machine. So in step 1, we will launch our PowerShell, and here is how. Press Window and S button together to open the search bar. Now type PowerShell into the search field. Run as administrator. Remember, running as an administrator unlocks full access to critical system details. In step 2, when you have got your PowerShell open, type in the following command and hit enter. Do not worry, I will provide all this command in the video description. Once you hit enter, this will display a ton of useful information including your operating system, the manufacturing and model of your PC or laptop, your CPU name and specs, the installed RAM that you have, the BIOS version which is useful for troubleshooting firmware issues, and other network adapter details. If you are feeling overwhelmed by the amount of data, no worries. PowerShell allows you to filter specific details, and here are a very quick examples. To check your OS version, use this PowerShell command. To find out your total RAM, you can use this command. To view CPU details, you can use this command. Here lies a bonus tip. If you want to save all this information for your later analysis, use this simple command to export it to a file. All this command will be given in the video description, so you can check out that. Now you will have all your system info nearly saved in a text file on your C drive, perfect for sharing with tech support or keeping a personal record. So why this matters? Using PowerShell is more than just a convenient trick. It's a reliable way to troubleshoot issues quickly, verify compatibility when planning hardware or software upgrades, work smarter not harder without downloading third-party tools. And there you have it, your complete guide to checking system specs using PowerShell. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe and turn on notifications so that you never miss any another tech tips. Got questions or suggestions? Drop in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy computing, take care and bye bye.